Have other people gone through the same thing that I'm going through? Because it is very frustrating. My oldest daughter, the rape victim, she feels that she's not going to get her justice. She honestly told me not too long ago that she she's going to lose her case, and that hurts.
Feeling defeated before heading into trial, Amy Whang is voicing concerns with the prosecution attorneys handling her minor daughter's case. According to KUAM archives, 20-year-old Pleads David was arrested for allegedly raping a 13-year-old girl at an apartment complex between October and November of last year. Further stated in a magistrate's complaint, David allegedly threatened the girl's younger sister with what appeared to be a pickaxe. David was charged with first and second-degree criminal sexual conduct and terrorizing. This morning on The Link, Whang says her daughters were very frightened and intimidated to speak up, and initially did not want to file a complaint with the police department.
There was consistent checking up on from the attacker, and so they're very scared for my life, their father's life, their family, and themselves, of course. But I wanted my daughters to speak up, have a voice. Enough is enough.
Having enough, Whang tells KUAM she was informed just a couple days ago by the AG advocate assigned to the case that the perpetrator is being released to a third-party custodian on Friday, December 4th. Additionally, she says there's been a last-minute change in prosecuting attorneys by the Office of the Attorney General.
I met 3 different prosecuting attorneys for my daughters. We're about to start trial this month, and we're getting a new one. I haven't even met her yet. I don't know anything, you guys. I'm in the dark.
Seeking answers and an opportunity to oppose the release, Amy says she has made numerous calls and visits to the OAG, having sat outside the office doors for hours waiting to see Attorney General Levin Camacho. And she had this message to share to AG Camacho.
No, I am not an attorney. No, I am not. I don't have a law degree, but at the same time, Mr. Camacho or whoever is listening to this or does see this, I am a mother of 2 minor daughters and all the other victims out there in the world, not just Guam. Imagine how we feel.
Listening in, AG Camacho explains that just yesterday the government was informed the Superior Court of Guam is lifting the tolling of both speedy trial and any indictments or grand jury proceedings.
So we were also caught off guard when we received notice yesterday that about a dozen cases have been set for scheduling, jury selection, and trial. So if you're finding out now, Amy, join the club. We are also finding out that because there's a lift now and they are requiring Superior Court judges to take these cases to trial. As of right now, my understanding is there are only 2 courtrooms that are available for jury selection in felony cases.
As for the change in attorneys,
the way we are structured internally, we have someone who is an overall for a criminal sexual conduct case. We have a lead prosecutor who will oversee all those cases. But we have 7 courtrooms and we have 18 to 19 prosecutors. So the way that we have to staff, and the judges have also requested this, we have courtroom teams. So we have courtroom teams and then we have charge leads. And we have to kind of work with that.
The OAG informs KUAM they plan to make oral arguments tomorrow opposing the defendant's release in Judge Elise Iriarchi's courtroom. Further, the OAG assures that Assistant Attorney General Lenny Rapadas remains the lead on the case. However, due to the change in courtroom, AAG Rochelle Canto is presenting arguments during the motion hearing. AG Camacho apologized for not directly answering Amy and any miscommunication along the way. And while her daughters feel the case is over, this mother fights on.
I'm on air begging you. I know it's not hard to look up my daughter's case or my name or my information, and I'm not trying to embarrass you, but I'm begging you for some type of stability for my daughters.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.